How we build your dream kitchen cabinet. Step by step. 1. Send us your house layout and your favorite kitchen style. 2. We provide a custom kitchen CAD design and a transparent quotation to get you started. 3. Once we move forward, our designers create a comprehensive plan for your entire home. 4. We finalize every detail with 3D renderings and technical CAD drawings before a single piece of wood is cut. 5. We support sample making and always welcome you to visit our factory to see our millimeter-perfect production in person. Experience the one-stop solution that elite builders trust. Let's start your layout today.